Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have admin access to Woocommerce and a verified Square account with banking set. Once confirmed, install and activate the official Square plugin in WordPress. Make sure plugin version matches Woocommerce requirements. Then open the plugin setup wizard and choose Live or Sandbox mode. Connect using the Square auth flow so you can authorize payments. After authorization, return to Woocommerce settings to continue configuration and map basic currency and location options. Once done with connection, you configure payment capture and product syncing. Set whether you want automatic capture at checkout or manual capture later. This affects refunds and reporting. Next, enable Square Catalog Sync if you want inventory mirrored. Make sure product SKUs match to avoid duplicates. Then enter your Square location ID and copy webhook endpoints from the plugin into your Square developer dashboard so inventory and payment events update in real time. Finally, run a test transaction in Sandbox. You finish by switching to live mode and doing a low-value authorization, then a full payment to confirm settlement. Monitor the Woocommerce order screen and your Square dashboard to verify transaction reconciliation and inventory movement. If something fails, check plugin logs, webhook delivery status in Square, and ensure SKUs and location ID match exactly. Mismatched SKUs cause duplicate products. If webhooks show errors, re-enter the endpoint and regenerate credentials, then repeat the sandbox test until transactions flow cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.